This semi-electric stacker can carry 1.5 tons, can lift goods to a height of 3.5 meters, and is equipped with a parking device to prevent displacement. The cast iron counterweight has good ballast effect, and the high-efficiency AC motor is more powerful. The smart instrument intuitively displays power, usage, time and fault codes, making operation and maintenance more convenient. The product adopts AC drive system for more precise control, high-strength vertical gearbox, H-shaped mast channel steel with high bending resistance to improve the strength of the mast. The factory supports fast delivery within 15 days. If you need it, please contact us.